those beauties.
Pretty.
Quentin King, Paul here, Music Villa, Bozeman, Montana. Check us out at musicvilla.com.
I'm laughing. I'm going to interrupt you because I'm already singing. There was a famous song between Michael Jackson and Paul McCartney. Do you remember the song?
No.
Ebony and Ivory.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Side by side.
Yeah.
Piano. I can't remember the words. Anyway, it just popped in my head, and I thought I would interrupt you and throw this derail.
Well, that's a good point. We do have a little bit of Ebony and Ivory here. Yeah, I like it.
Thank you.
They're good looking.
They are good looking.
And let me tell you all about them.
Okay.
Welcome, everybody.
Yep.
Martin Custom Shop. We were out there a couple weeks ago, and you know, I always dig around in their custom shop room. What do you got? What do you have? Anything cool? And they had just got done making these, and they've done them before, but very rare, and I doubt they'll do anything like it again with the white. I know white's difficult, and this material, you know, getting it on the headstock and all that, and I know it's difficult to work with. So, and it's just cool. I mean, look at the headstock there.
It is very interesting, like and then the same kind of color match.
So you got
for
the black. I think they call it the black Boltron and the white Boltron. It's the material. These guitars, full-blown custom shop, mahogany back and side, spruce top, all custom shop. Features built. I haven't even really looked at the specs of the inside and all that because, really, who cares? They're cool and they sound good.
They do.
It doesn't matter what the bracing is on these, all right?
Yeah. I do like the sound.
Two body shapes. GP, that's Grand Performance body shape. This is 00 slope shoulder.
I see. Like CO.
Like CO.
I see,
CO7.
but it's got a little...
With Cutaway. Yep.
Yeah, can I check that one out for a
Check it
second?
out.
Hopefully it's still in tune. But they both play very nice. And I've been on this smaller body kick.
Yeah.
Some of the comments we've been receiving when we've done the smaller guitars, we know that dreadnoughts can be a little bulky for some people, especially after I had my shoulder surgery. It was tender. So these are just so much more comfortable.
Yeah.
And you can hug them because they're not very deep, but it's got a warm sound.
Yeah.
And again, for all those shredders up there that we need to get up here,
Sounds great. It is nice and warm.
It's surprisingly warm for a smaller body guitar. I mean, maybe that's in my head. That would be some mahogany. And they're very similar in tone, at least from this side.
That is a little bigger though. Cool. Pickup in them? That one got a pickup too?
Yes, it does.
Sweet. Both have pickups already ready to go.
Plug and play.
Plug and play.
And they're just cool.
They're really cool.
I'm on the record. I like natural colors, generally speaking, but when the guitar just sounds right, I'd be happy to play it. And these are kind of cool, even for someone who's not an aesthetically driven guitar buyer. I can say at least for the playability, they're very cool. And like you say, these are unique. You're not going to find these.
Yep, and they're good looking.
On the shelf.
We're happy to have them. Yeah. Check them out, musicvilla.com. Check us out, Bozeman, Montana.
A couple of custom shops.
Custom Shop Martins, Ebony and Ivory. Quentin, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for watching.